Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change a country on the Subway Surfers application using your smartphone. So in order to do that, first of all, open the Subway Surfer app on your mobile devices, and from the home page, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Now scroll down from the settings menu and look for country/region option and tap on it. From there, you can choose a different country from the list, simply select one, and then the changes will be applied in the mentioned time at the bottom. After waiting for the time that is indicated at the bottom, your country or your region will be changed. So that is how you can easily change your country or region on Subway Surfers. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.